Hey everybody, this is Tyler Nicely with Visual Frameworks. Visual Frameworks in the May term. This is the Project 1 review. And we have a few questions that we go over in these video reviews, and the first of which is, of course, what went better than we expected. And I think that this week what went better than expected was I picked up HTML quickly. It's a much more semantic language than JavaScript. What didn't go as well as expected? I had a little bit of a difficult time picking out a theme for my assignment, but we'll go over that in a second. And how does this relate to what we've already worked on? Well, we worked with JavaScript, and we've sort of moved data in and out, and we've manipulated data in functions, and now we're building a user interface for adding or changing that data. So how do we think this will relate later on? I think this will be sort of important from here on out, whether we're building a web app or a native app for whichever mobile platform. We're going to be concerned about the user interface and how those attributes on the user interface will interact with our data. So let's take a look at the assignment. This is my index page. At least it's the script for it. Mostly, you'll notice that it's, besides my comments for my name and whatnot, we've got our head, and we've got our metadata up here, and the title, of course. And then the body, and we have the header and the different header types. And of course, we have our link to add our item to our list, our tracker. And then the add item script, which has mostly the same metadata, and we also have included forms with all the different required fields. So here's the app. The app is a reading app. I thought about a couple of different things, and I settled on wanting to track what it is I'm reading as an app. And so here's the index page, and you see our header, and right here the title, and we're going to add a book. So we'll click the link, and it takes us to our add item page. And if you scroll on down, you'll see that we do have our form, and we can choose what our source is. It's either a book or we read it online, maybe an RSS feed. I might add that, or a tablet. Who our author is, and I've got data already in there. Date the book finished, how fun the book was, what genre, and whether or not we want to save it to our favorites. And then, of course, you can add a quick note and a button to save our book. And that is my assignment for week 1. Hope everyone had a great time. Thanks, bye.